Hi students, today we are going to learn the note making for the passage. Now let us see the main points of it. Note making basically involves noting the main points of whatever is read or heard or cannot be expected to remember all that has read. Now it is a process of reviewing, connecting, and synthesizing ideas from the lectures or reading. Note making is important due to its knowledge also, and in English grammar, it is the most important component for noting down the main points for any passage. Now, see the weightage of this note making. First of all, the notes which we make, it carries 5 marks. In this, title is of 1 mark. When we make the numbering and indenting, that also carries 1 mark. 1 mark is for key or glossary, that is abbreviation. And the notes what we make carries 2 marks. And the summary overall carries 3 marks, which we have to sum up in up to 50 words only. Let us see what is the format of writing note making. First of all, we have to provide for a suitable title either at the beginning or at the concluding part of the passage. The title must express the main idea and should be catchy and short. Each paragraph contains a particular point, make it a heading, and if necessary, also give the subheadings to in each, and if not, let it go. Means you have to give the heading to each paragraph, and if possible, then also give the subheadings to it. After this, the students are also supposed to compulsorily abbreviate at least 4 words that they write, and should remember that they should not be exceed than 6. These abbreviations you have to write after making all the notes, and in this manner you can write the abbreviations which you can see. After making notes and abbreviations, you are supposed to write the summary of the passage in the shortest possible way, but here you cannot use the abbreviations, this you have to remember. Here you have to write the summary in full sentences, and 1/3 of the length of the given passage is an ideal summary. So some words more or less make no difference. Let us also see the main points which we need to remember during this writing note making. Your notes must be very short. You don't have to use the full sentences. You have to write in phrases only, and avoid using examples, articles or prepositions. Abbreviation should be minimum 4 and not more than 6. Whatever abbreviation you are using, you must underline that, and you should use that abbreviation in all the notes wherever you are using that word, and you have to use that abbreviation only. And the same abbreviations you will mention in the abbreviation column. In this manner you can write this note making. Thank you and have a nice day.